Today we're going to do Moroccan beet salad.
So beets has many nutrients and has also many health benefits. It has a high concentration of nitrates that actually lower your blood pressure. So it's like a superfood. I'm going to take 3 medium to large size beets. Our beets was in the microwave for about 25 minutes and it's soft enough to use as a salad. In the winter you could cook the beets on top of your gas or electric range, especially when it's cold. It will warm up your house. But in the summer, I love to cook in the morning. I use the microwave to cook. So I'm going to put on gloves so I can work with my beets. I'm going to peel them. I've also waxed my board, or I put parchment paper on my board so the color of the beets won't go everywhere. So I have my beets here. I'm going to slice them. Beets here. Now we're going to cut up our cilantro. So I've taken a bunch of cilantro, washed it, and we took off the stems. And washed very well a cilantro. You gotta wash it. There was a lot of soil in it. We're going to now slice our onion. The onion gets a nice red color when it's mixed with the beets. We're going to slice it thinly sliced. So the slices come out like this for the onion. We put the beet and the onion in a bowl. Put my cilantro in the bowl. We're going to add a tablespoon of cumin, generous amount. We're going to put a salt and black pepper. We're going to put lemon juice. We're going to put olive oil, about 2 or 3 tablespoons. You want the spices to sit there for about 30 minutes to get absorbed inside the beet. Mix your salad.
Your white onion is getting a nice pink color. After we mix it and let it sit for 30 minutes, I'm going to refrigerate it. Thank you for joining me.